welcome to my kitchen, Ringo's Caribbean Kitchen. Guys, today I'm gonna be making some codfish fritters or codfish flitters, whichever one you like to call it. But before I get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button for me and hit the notification bell if you want to continue to get updated recipes every time I put them out, guys. Guys, over here I'm gonna go over a list of ingredients for you. I got some fresh chopped scallion in my pan, in my bowl, and I chopped up some grape tomatoes over here. Look at that, guys. I just chopped that up. I know you're gonna ask, how much is that? Look, you see the amount in the bowl. It's not that complicated, guys. Chop up about 5 stalks of scallion and chop up about maybe 7, 8, maybe even 10 grape tomatoes. Put them in a bowl right here. Over here I got about a teaspoon of some fresh cracked black pepper. I got a few more grape tomatoes over here. I might use and I might not. I might use some of them, but you'll see the process. I got the rest of my scallions right here. I got 2 cups of flour right here, guys. And I have the star of the show, some salted codfish right here, guys, that I just went ahead and boiled off the salt and then, you know, kind of shredded it with my hands a bit. And today I'm putting everything, guys, everything in my trusty, well, except for the fish, of course, and some of the scallions and tomatoes. I'm putting them all in my trusty little ninja right here. And I'll show you how this process goes, guys. Just come on over here, take a quick watch with me. Oh, I almost left out the main ingredient. I got some chopped scotch bonnet pepper right here that I put together, guys. This is a key ingredient. That's about a teaspoon right there. Depends on how much pepper you like. You could go more. I might go more. It's a little more than a teaspoon, by the way. Anyway, guys, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my flour. No baking powder, no nothing, no seasonings, no nothing. Because remember, the salted cod still has salt in there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop my flour in on top of my chopped scallions and my cut up tomatoes in. I'm gonna grab me a rubber spatula and I'm gonna go ahead and stir that in and get everything all incorporated, guys. Look at that. Just like that. Just like that. Now I'm gonna grab my salted codfish over here, guys. I'm gonna put that in. Get it all in there. Get it all in. Look at that. Start stirring it around. Just like that. That's just what I'm looking for, guys. Right there. Look at that. Right? So it's just another way to make a fritter. You can do this with conch fritters. You could do this with, you know, omitting the tomato and the scallions. You could do this with, and the codfish, of course. You could make banana fritters this way, but I'd put a little more things in the banana fritters, which I'll show or share with you in a later segment. But this is just what you're looking for, guys. That incorporation right here. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Look at that. Look at that texture. Incorporated everything in there. It's all nice and mixed up. It's like you're really powdering and flouring the saltfish, the scallions, and the tomatoes. Okay, guys. Over here, I'm gonna grab my trusty measuring cup and I'm gonna get 2 cups of water in here. Alright, guys, so over here in my ninja, I'm gonna go ahead and add my scallions in there, guys. Look at that, the leftover scallions in. Anything fall out, pop it back in there. I'm gonna put my tomatoes in there, guys. Look at that. Pop them right in, no big deal. Guys, this recipe is really a simple recipe, guys. I'm not trying to make this complicated. As you see, I didn't put anything in there that you probably don't already have in your refrigerator or in your pantry. Scotch bonnet pepper in. And at this point, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 2 cups of water. I'm gonna watch it. Let's get the water in there. So I'm gonna hold back a 1/2 cup. So that's gonna be 2.5 cups of water in here, guys. Go ahead and seal my trusty little ninja. And I know you're probably saying, Ringo, what about this? Guys, don't worry, I'm gonna add it. Just give me a sec, all right? Let's go ahead over to the motherboard and whip this thing up real quick. Okay guys, so here's my blended tomatoes, scallions, and scotch bonnet pepper in a cup and a half of water right here, guys. And I left back a half a cup of water intentionally in case I want to adjust it if this is too thick. But you go ahead and watch it. You'll stir it in and watch it. I'll show you what kind of consistency you're looking for. So let's go ahead and give that a quick pour. And I opted out on my rubber spatula for a kind of serving spoon here. Let's pour that in. I know the color looks a little odd. You might be saying, Ringo, that doesn't look that, trust me, everything's fine. Yeah, so I'm stirring. My bowl's a little small too, guys, but that's fine. Stir it. You get yourself a bigger bowl if you want to stir and not make a mess like I'm not doing, but it could happen if you stir too quick. Look at that, guys. Just like that. Come on. Start adding again. Looking for this particular pancake batter consistency, guys. No different from when I did my pancakes. You know the consistency I'm talking about, guys. Come on. This is a great time to add your crushed black pepper in there. Go ahead, add it in. Don't worry about it. Stirring, folding, working it. And guys, this is really a can't go wrong kind of a ingredient with this one right here, because if you add too much liquid, you can easily drop in a little bit more flour on top of this. And as you notice, I didn't put any baking powder or any baking soda. It's not necessary. This recipe doesn't call for it, and it kind of gets in the way. We're not making fried dumplings here. I think you know what I'm talking about, or anything that needs to rise. Guys, at this point you could easily come into this batter and just give it a quick taste, because we rely on the salted codfish a lot, but just kind of go like that with a clean spoon and just kind of go taste it. I feel like it could use a little bit more salt, just a little bit, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of salt. You know, I measure with my hands. Pop, it's in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stir that. I'll go ahead and give it another quick taste. That's where you want to be, guys. So guys, over here I got a preheated pan with some oil in there. I put about, I'd say about a quarter cup of oil, maybe a little bit more, but you watch it, you can see it, how much I have in there. You want to do the same. You can see the oil is kind of shimmering. If you want to give it a little test, you just go ahead, drop a little bit of your batter in here and just, you know, and that's what you're looking for right there, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start frying up a few of these. I'm using this particular size spoon, and I'm going right on top of what I put in. You want to put in about that much in there. Look at that, guys. We're gonna fit at least 5 of these in there, guys. Look at that. 3. Okay guys, so I fried on one side for about 5 minutes, and could be a little tricky batter. I mean, what you're looking for is a nice color underneath when you flip them, and it needs to be enough color that is going to assure that the outside is well fried as well as the inside is well fried, meaning the inside isn't, you know, like both sides are crisp, but inside still a little raw. You do not want that. So you look at them at this point and you'll see where the whole frying process is starting to, you know, take place around the outsides, and you still have a little bit of uncooked batter on the inside, and you go ahead and give it a flip at that point and watch it. And there you go, guys. That's the color you're looking for. Right about there. Go ahead and flip these. Here we are. Let's go ahead and check the other side. And yeah, voila, nice and done. Go ahead, drain it off a little bit. Keep a paper towel lined pan on the side, guys. Go ahead and drop them in there and pop it in there. Guys, you see why I didn't go ahead and put any kind of baking powder or baking soda in there? And I still got a little rise out of it. And this is not self-rising flour. This is all-purpose flour. But it's not necessary, guys. So don't make a simple dish extremely complicated. Another quick thing I wanted to say about it too, guys, is really not necessary to add too many flavors in there and too much things. Like, it is a Caribbean dish. I could have put some chopped garlic or garlic powder in there, or some fresh thyme in there. I mean, I tried all of that. I'm trying to bring you the simplest, most tastiest way of making codfish fritters. And this is what I found to be the tastiest. I've been eating them for a while. You can see right here, there's some gray there. When I say a while, I'm kind of giving away my age. This is the best I've had. So let's go on and put another batch in, guys. So this recipe could yield you about 20 codfish fritters. I only fried up about 10, and look, I got enough left over to make maybe even 10 more. And this thing stores well too. I'm gonna put it in a storage container, guys. It stores in the refrigerator for up to 3, even 4 days. Once you open it back up the next day, just put your spoon in there and stir it. You know, just give it a quick stir around one time. If you feel like it, you tap a little bit of more water in there to make it looser. But 3-4 days, guys, you can store it up. Okay, guys, here's the finished product, codfish fritters. And let's go ahead and take a quick taste. Tell you how that tastes. Here we go. Listen for that crunch. I'm kidding. Spicy, delicious, well fried. Just what can I say, guys? Try it for yourself. Try the recipe out. I guarantee you're gonna love it. The kids could even eat this. Amazing. Delicious. Absolutely. Guys, if you like this recipe and you want to be notified about more, just hit the subscribe button and turn the bell on so you can be notified every time I put out a new recipe, guys. Let me know how you like it in the comment section, guys. Enjoy.